Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone,
so let's
let's
do
do
it.
it.
Now
Today
we
we
are
are
going
going
to
to
learn
learn
how to
how
make
to
a
make a
simple
simple
game.
game.
So let's
Let's
start.
start.
Object
Object
orientation is
orientation is
very
very
useful
useful
when
when
managing
managing
different
different
objects
objects
and their
and their
relations.
relations.
That
That
is
is
especially
especially
useful
useful
when you
when
are
you are
developing
developing
games
games
with
with
different
different
characters
characters
and
and
features.
features.
So today we are
Today we are
going to
going to
learn how
learn
to
how
make
to
a
make a
simple
simple
game.
game.
So let's
Let's
start.
start.
First we
First we
define a
define a
function
function
named
named
getInput.
getInput,
And
and
then
then
command
command
is
is
equal to
equal to
input,
input,
and the
and the
input
input
is
is
like
like
this,
this.
dot
Dot
split,
split
returns the
returns the
list of
list
the
of the
words in
birds
a
in a
string,
string.
uses
Uses
separate as
separate
a
as a
delimiter
delimiter
string.
string.
No, command is
Command is
equal to
equal to
this,
this.
and let's
And let's
say
say
verb
verb
word.
word.
Okay,
Okay.
verb
Verb
word
word
is
is
equal to
equal to
command
command,
and
and
its
its
zero
zero
index.
index.
So
So
if
if
verb
verb
word
word
in
in
verb
verb
dict, it's dictionary.
dictionary,
Verb
verb
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
verb
verb
dict,
dict,
like
like
this.
this.
Verb
Verb
dict
dict
is
is
its
its
dictionary
dictionary
and
and
its
its
index
index
is
is
verb
verb
word.
word.
Okay, and
And
if
if
this
this
does not
does not
happen,
happen,
then
then
else
else
print
print
unknown
unknown
verb.
verb.
All
All
these
these
things
things
and
and we
format
format
it.
it.
We have
We
to
have
put
to
it in
in
the
the
print,
print
format
format
it,
it
verb
verb
word.
word.
Format
Format
returns a
returns a
formatted
formatted
version of
version of
S
S
using
using
substitutions
substitutions
from
from
args.
args.
Format
Format
using
using
verb
verb
word.
word.
Okay,
Okay,
undefined
undefined
name
name
verb
verb
dict.
dict.
So
So
let's
let's
see.
see.
Later
Later
we'll
we'll
do the
do the
verb dict.
verb dict.
So
So
then we
then we
return
return,
stop the
stop the
program,
program,
and
and
if
if
the
the
length
length
of
of
command
command
is
is
greater
greater
than or
than or
equal
equal
to
to
2,
2,
then
then
noun
noun
word
word
equal
equal
to
to
command
command
its
its
first
first
index
index
or
or
its
its
second
second
word
word
in
in
the
the
list,
list,
then
then
print
print
verb
verb
and
and
then
then
noun
noun
word.
word.
Okay.
Else, if this does not happen, then else, print,
verb,
verb,
nothing.
nothing.
Let's
Let's
define
define
another
another
function.
function.
Say
Say
it
it
takes
takes
a
a
noun
noun
as
as
its
its
argument,
argument,
and we
and we
return
return
you
you
said.
said.
Dot
Dot
format.
format.
This
This
also.
also.
And
And we have to use this one
to
to
so
so
that
that
it
it does
doesn't
not
confuse
confuse
with
with
this.
this.
Dot
Dot
format.
format.
Format
Format
this
this
noun,
noun,
and
and
now we
now we
define
define
verdict.
verdict.
Verdict
Verdict
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
the
the
list, is
is
equal to
equal to
the
the
dictionary
dictionary
in
in
which
which
say
say
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
say,
say,
comma.
comma.
While
While
to
to
get
get
input.
input.
Let's
Let's
try
try
this
this
now.
now.
Let's
Let's
say
say
we
we
say
say
hello.
hello,
Noun
noun
verb
verb
hello.
hello.
Let's
Let's
say
say
we
we
said
said
a
a
noun
noun
verb
verb
hello.
hello.
Say
Say
hello.
hello.
You
You
said
said
hello.
hello.
Say
Say
goodbye.
goodbye.
You
You
said
said
goodbye.
goodbye.
Test
Test
if
if
we
we
do
do
like
like
this.
this.
Unknown
Unknown
verb
verb
test.
test.
Say
Say
test.
test.
You
You
said
said
test.
test.
So that's how
That's
it
how it
goes.
goes.
Okay.
Okay.
The
The
next
next
step is
step
to
is to
use
use
classes
classes
to
to
represent
represent
game
game
objects.
objects.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's say
Let's
we
say we
create a
create a
class
class
object,
object,
class
class,
game
game
object,
object,
and
and
class
class
name is
name is
equal to.
equal to.
Okay.
Okay.
Thinking
Thinking
this,
this,
what
what
can we
can we
do?
do?
The
The
index
index
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
the string,
string,
and
and
let's say
let's say
object
object
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
the
the
empty
empty
list.
list.
Now
Now
let's
let's
define
define
another
another
function.
function.
Define
Define
with an
with an
instance
instance
in
in
it.
it.
We
We
learned it
learned it
earlier.
earlier.
Self
Self,
name.
name.
So
So
self
self
dot
dot
name
name
is
is
equal to
equal to
name
name
itself,
itself,
and
and
game
game
object
object
dot
dot
objects
objects
self
self
dot
dot
class
class
name.
name.
Okay.
Okay. This, let's say this is equal to self. Let's define another function.
define
Define
get
get
desc.
desc.
It
It
takes
takes one argument self. Then it returns
self
self
dot
dot
class
class
name
name
plus
plus
this
this
function.
function.
We
We
converted
converted this.
this was
So like this and
and
whoops, and like this.
plus
Plus
self
self
dot
dot
desc.
desc.
That's
It's a class. We create another class.
The
The class name is Goblin. Class Goblin.
It
It is a part of
game.
class name is equal to Goblin
Descendant
is equal to a whole creature. Let's say goblin, small goblin,
is a
part of the goblin, big goblin,
and
and its name is Goblin.
And
And now we define another function. Oops, not double ending this.
We define
Define another function, examine.
It takes
Takes noun as its function, argument, and if noun is in game object, game object dot object, then return
game
object
dot
object noun
dot
get
desk. Okay,
if this does not happen, then else return there is no this prints what we printed.
This
There is no here
dot
format noun.
Okay,
So what's wrong with this? Unknown this name game object. We have to do this in the next line. Now let's try this. Let's examine goblin. Unknown verb examine. We have to remove this, roll X, and then paste it over here after this. And let's try this now. Examine goblin. Unknown verb examine, because we have to run this.
So
While to get input, and this is a define, so we can get this also examine. examine, examine also. Now let's do this. Examine goblin. Unknown verb examine. Why is not coming? Let's get another console. Now let's try to run this. This will not run because it's false. Let's do this true. Get input and examine. We have to do get input and examine also. So get input and examine. Now let's try to do this. Examine goblin. The object has no attribute examine because goblin has this. Goblin. Now let's try this. Examine goblin. Type object goblin has no attribute examine. Okay, we also have to add here also because verb will only say examine, then examine.